Right here, high above County Tipperary, is the awesome Rock of Cashel. And this was once the symbolic heart of Irish power. This was the seat of kings, faith, and authority for nearly 1,000 years. However, by the mid-17th century, that symbolism made it a target. In 1647, during the wars that would culminate in Oliver Cromwell's conquest of Ireland, Parliamentarian forces attacked the rock and then held it with Confederate troops. After breaching its defenses, the attackers slaughtered the soldiers, clergy, and civilians who had sought refuge within the cathedral walls. The roof of the great church was set on fire, and manuscripts, relics, and centuries of sacred history went up in flames. And when Cromwell himself landed in Ireland 2 years later, the Rock of Cashel was already broken, its power erased, its purpose ended. The ruins you see today are the result of a senseless war and outright conquest. The destruction was deliberate, and it was meant to silence Ireland's political and religious heart, and to ensure it would never rise again. The Rock of Cashel was never rebuilt because it was never meant to be. Under Cromwellian rule, destruction was policy. Ruins were left standing as warnings, not as failures. From this height, the message was unmistakable. Power had shifted, faith had been broken, and Ireland's old order was finished.